I was surfing the web searching for strategies to build income streams online and make money online. And I found this website. It charges up to $1.99 per single image. So I decided to reverse engineer this website and understand how it works so I can implement the same strategy. And after more than 4 weeks of research and testing, finally I did it. And today I will give you everything for free. But the strategy is not simple. So if you are not willing to invest like 2-3 hours learning and applying and testing what you will learn today in this video, please skip it. Don't waste your time. I'm here to share real strategies, real value, advanced methods that you will never find somewhere else because simply it's based on my own experience, on my own research, on my own results. So if you are ready, let's start. So what is the idea? In the next few minutes, I will give you a simple script that took me like 4 weeks to create. I will give it to you and you can run in less than 5 minutes and you can use it to make money online. So I will give you the script and I will tell you 3 methods to use the script to build a business or to build an income stream online. Going back to our website we mentioned, this website charges people like $2 to remove the background from an image. They have multiple plans, but they charge up to $2 per single call. This website uses machine learning and AI, artificial intelligence, to do this job. And if you go now to Google and do a simple keyword research, remove background from image, you will see that this keyword has a very high search volume. It gets a huge amount of traffic. So if you combine my script with this search volume, you can simply build an income stream. Please focus. These websites are very expensive, so you can compete with my free script to give a cheap price or maybe give it for free and monetize with different methods we'll talk about in a little bit. This website, it's called remove.bg. As we mentioned, it's somehow expensive. So today I will reveal the secret behind this website and similar ones. So in short, after doing a lot of research, I found an open source project on GitHub. This project allows you to remove backgrounds from images. Very nice. But the big problem is that not anyone can understand these types of projects. It's complex. You need to understand Python programming, machine learning, computer vision, and much more. Believe me, it's not simple. It took me hours and hours and hours to understand this code and create these scripts. The good news is, my role here on my channel is to make things simple for you. I prepared this simple script. Anyone can use for free and in less than 5 minutes. So you can remove backgrounds from images with the power of AI on your own PC totally for free. In a little bit, I will give you the script. So please some patience and I will tell you how to build a business online with this script. Let's first see how it works. What you need simply is Visual Studio Code. It's also free. Just download it, install it, super simple. And then install Python. Also it's simple, go to Python, download the latest version, install it, and make sure to add Python into environmental variables while installing. It's just a checkbox. And then open my script. If you go down, you will find this simple text. Replace your image path. Just enter the image path here and run the script and that's it. Let's do a simple test. You can see here I have this image, this cat image with this background that I want to remove. So I will go back here, I will go down, I will just replace this 1.jpg, save, and now run the code. Just say Python and the Python script name. You can find it here also. Just enter, loading, removing background. In a few seconds, it will finish. It's finished. Very nice. If you go now to the project folder that you will get in a little bit, we have a static folder. Open it. We have the inputs. This is the image that you input to the script. You can see this is the mask here. And now we have the result, the cat without the background. Awesome. Let's try the same picture on remove.bg. the website that charges $2 for this task. I will upload the image. Here is the cat. Okay, and the website remove the background. If you want to click now here on download with HD, you need 1 credit. So expensive. Let's open my result from my script and compare. So this is the image from the website and this is my image. It's almost the same, but for free. Even my image is somehow better maybe. You can see these details here. These are the results, my free script and the expensive website. Now the main question, how we can make money out of this script. I will share with you 3 awesome ideas with examples I implemented. The first method is to build an online tool on top of this script. You can use websites like Anvil to build interfaces and UIs and web applications without coding with Python, or maybe Streamlit, or maybe no-code tools like Bubble.io to build the interface. So you can have an image background remover online tool. For example, I published this new website, freeimage.ai, this week. It's somehow similar. It's a free AI image generator. You can see this simple interface that you can build, believe me, in like 1 hour after learning one of these websites or frameworks. And after you do this, you can connect with a script like the script I gave you or any API and have this tool. You can give it the prompt, how many samples you want, the image size and so on, and click on generate to generate images. So you can build similar tools, similar online tools based on the script I will give you. The second method is to build an API. You can't believe how easy it is to turn this script into an API. I will give you also the API code. If you go here, this is the API version. You just add these simple lines of codes, this one and this line of code, and that's it. And now it's an API. After you turn into an API, you can simply host online and publish on a website like Rapid API, an API marketplace, and sell the API. For example, I sell this API here, the recurring monthly membership. You can do the same also. So you can publish an image background removal API. The third method is freelancing. It's somehow advanced. Maybe you can take the script, tweak it a little bit, make it run in bulk to remove backgrounds in bulk and so on, and provide as a freelancing service. Or maybe sell the script, I don't mind, do whatever you want. It's free, it's up to you. This video was the second video in our detector series where we reverse engineer big websites and see how they work and give you the code behind for free. If you missed the first video in the series where we saw how big keyword research tools work, you can go now and check the video here and see how to make money with Google search. Don't forget, download the script and everything in the description below. I hope you enjoyed and see you soon.